Hiya, crafty folks. Today we're going to make a card that's simple and single layer. Now, this is the awesome bound boxes. This is one of my favorite stencils from the August release. I have three kind of cool neutral, except for the new Goldenrod color. I have Slate, Goldenrod, and I didn't catch what the other one is, but I'll try and remember to link it below. Here's a photo of the finished card. It could not be more simple, but I am so pleased with how this turned out. So this bound box is a 6x9 stencil. This is from the August release at A Colorful Life Designs. You can shop with my coupon AmyFan10 at checkout. Save 10% on your complete order. There are loads of fabulous new stencils and 12 new card bling colors. So be sure to check that out. I'll have everything linked below. If you do follow my links, it's no additional cost to you, but it does help me out because it lets the owner know where the sale came from so I can get credit for it. So that does really help me out. Now, I started with the lighter color gray, kind of lighter handed in spots, heavier handed in others. Now I'm coming in with the slate for even darker gray. And then I'm just going to go diagonally right down the center with that new goldenrod color from Catherine Pooler. But I wanted to wipe off the stencil first, and then I'm actually going to shift it a little bit. So this is kind of a fun way to get more mileage out of your stencils. Just think about different ways that you can kind of rotate it or twist it or offset it just a little bit to create a different look. I wasn't sure how I wanted to do it here, so I just kind of moving around trying to get a feel for what it might look like. But this definitely created a different look from this really cool geometric design. Now this goldenrod, this might be one of my favorite colors at Catherine Pooler now. It's a really pretty, rich, mustardy yellow. It came out with, I think, verbena. I don't know if that's right. Let me know in the comments. But goldenrod and verbena, it was like a purple and then this mustardy color. I'm assuming they're spa collection. I think they are. I don't pay as close of attention to that now that she doesn't do them in the little 8-packs that she used to. But I still have to have all the colors, you know, because I have full set syndrome when it comes to Catherine Pooler. And to be fair, it is my main ink line. It is the one I use the most. So now I'm figuring out how I want to finish this card. As you saw, I was working directly on the card base. Super easy, nice and flat, easy to ship, lightweight, doesn't use a ton of paper. So don't be afraid to work directly on the card base. If you're worried that you might mess it up, I guess go ahead and use a panel. But for me, I find 9 times out of 10, this works great. And at the end of the day, it's just paper. So flipping through my sentiment book, I ended up landing on this really cool Hugs. This is from Altenew. I'll link that below. And I grabbed a shadow layer in white. So sometimes I use them in white, but sometimes I custom color them on demand. So I'm using that same slate color, so it'll be a perfect match to my card. I have it stuck down on an Altenew sticky mat on my turntable. That is a 25-year-old cake decorating turntable because I used to be a cake decorator back in the day as a young adult. So I don't have a link for that, but I'm sure there's something similar on the market. If I remember, my friend Hillary is awesome, and she let me know of an alternative that actually had a cool grid on it. So hopefully I'll remember to link that. If I didn't, please remind me in the comments. But I put it down with a thin foam strip, and that's going to finish the card. Super easy. I didn't even put bling on it. That's like a first. I always put card bling, but be sure to check out the new colors. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time. Bye.